Life has no end. Hello everyone. As we know that nowadays people face certain uneven health issues. So one of the health issues faced in day-to-day life by severe patients or humans facing certain medical issues is that body imbalance. So today we are here with a system that can detect fall detection in humans, and it is a complete system which is integration of more than one sensors that includes gyroscope, accelerometer, magnetometer, gyrometer, ESP32 module, and also a button switch which can give an emergency signal. So this system basically detects if any human falls at any uncertain medical condition. Along with that, we have pulse oximeter sensor that can detect pulse rate, SpO2, and blood pressure fluctuation. A basic concept that we found is that in humans, if any uncertain incident occurs, then a high fluctuation difference in blood pressure is found to be recorded. So we have used that thing to provide solution for this. So if any human being is facing such fluctuation, especially in senior citizens, if they are facing any such fluctuation in blood pressure, then an alert message will be directed towards the family members or guardians as provided numbers. That can detect that senior citizen has faced that incident of fall or can go through a serious medical condition. Also, these features were useful to detect fall detection. But what about avoiding the fall in senior citizens? So for that we have come with an unique idea that before if any senior citizen is facing any unconscious or any such situation, they can use this button which is going to be implemented in watch right over here, that they can use button gesture in order to provide a message to their loved ones that works as a two-way communication. So this feature is going to be implemented through an application that we developed specifically for this solution. So the alert message that we know that in our regular day-to-day life, students go into the meetings and all, and they use the DND features or silent mode, which can hinder this alert solution. So we have come up with a solution of vibration patterns that are uniquely, normally there are 2 vibrations, but we have come up with 3 to 4 vibrations that are going to be continuously in a loop in order to provide alert message. Also, we in our application we have provided a solution that it can override the DND mode and silent mode and still provide the solution of this alert message. So this is how the button gesture works. While pressing this button, it will provide an alert message in my mobile phone like this. It will be like this format along with the location. Okay. And this is the OLED display where it will be shown that how it would look like. It will look like this emergency message. So this is how the output of button gesture will look like. It will provide me with an emergency message that will look like this. Further, now coming to our application, this is the application that we developed for this system. This application involves basic features like detection of heart rate, SpO2, and blood pressure that is being monitored. But the additional features that is not yet provided by any of the applications is that it has an appointment system on which we can consult any of the doctors. It has a hospital appointment system. It has guardian page, and along with that, it has an emergency button which we can use, which we can use in case of emergency. Now coming to the working of this our prototype is that whenever this system is going to fall, it will detect like this that output, and further over it will also provide me with a message in my mobile phone, and in this display also that it is calling to my mobile phone. Further, it will provide me with the message that alert, due to some reason fall of the person has occurred. This is how the working of alert message is going to be visible.
कोई भी आपका व्हीकल आएगा तो उसको किस तरह से जॉब कार्ड बनना है से लेके इवन आपके पिकअप ड्रॉप से लेके सर्विस और डिलीवरी की सारी प्रोसेसेस है। सेम फ्रेंचाइजीज है तो हमारा फ्रेंचाइजीज जो को क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है। अब देखो तो दुनिया में क्या होता है, पता है बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम कस्टमर एम्प्लॉय और वर्कशॉप फ्रेंचाइजी जो भी